This is one of the more amazing feeding frenzies of gulls I have ever seen. I've seen many, and this is one of the best. What's also amazing about this one is you always watch gulls doing this whenever there's big schools of fish around, but I have never yet seen a gull catch a fish until this video. On this video, there is at least two good pictures of gulls actually coming out of the water with fish in their mouths. Amazing. Right there, that one's got one. Swan Point has a resident flock of turkeys. Recently I've seen as many as 14 together. Last winter it seemed like there were 18. They split up during the summer. But I have never seen them down on the waterfront at the shoreline. I've seen them in the woods near the water, but never actually in the marshes and on the mud flats. But today at low tide, that is what they were doing. Kind of interesting to watch them through the salt marsh grass. I've been doing lots of video down at the Seekonk, and it seems like almost every time I come, there's a great blue heron or two to be seen. So I figured it was only appropriate that if we're talking about things that eat small fish like the gulls, that we end the day with a couple of great blue herons, especially when gliding into a landing.